Hello everyone, this is Matinikk and thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to unbox the DJI Mini 2 Costco Bundled, and let's go ahead and let's get started. Here you go guys, and this is the bag with the drone in it and all the accessories. So let's go ahead and take out the drone first. There's nothing on the front side pocket, just padding papers. And here we have the USB-C charging cable. And here we have the documentations. And here is the remote control. We have here the box of accessories, and it's located underneath the drone. So here is the spare battery, the RC cables, which are the micro, USB to C, and USB-C to USB-C cable, and then the lightning to USB-C is already in the remote control, and the Phillips screwdriver for replacing the propeller blades, and the last one would be the spare controller stick and a pair of propeller blades. After inspecting the remote, so I'll go ahead and do the drone next. The 32 gig SD card is already installed in the drone, as well as the battery. I'm doing a quick battery inspection for these two batteries, making sure that the battery doesn't have any kind of form defect, and when you inserted it, make sure it goes all the way in. My two batteries seems to be working fine, and when I inserted it, it goes all the way in, so I'm all good. This is probably you may want to check when you get like a Mavic Mini with a spare battery, just to make sure that the battery are not swollen or anything. Make sure it goes all the way. This would be the end of my unboxing video for the DJI Mini 2. And what do you think, guys, about this Costco bundled Mini 2? Is it a great buy? And is the Mini 2 still worth buying in 2021? Let me know what you think, and please leave me a comment down in the section below. And if you are new to this channel, you may want to consider subscribing, and that helps my channel a lot. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and share, and see you in my next video.